Go.
I hope that it's more fun from the top of the starting hill. I promised you it was. I hope I'm not wrong. Families, before you leave, there is that info about the BMX Racing League program over at the registration booth. There's little pages that you can take home. It's got all the information to register through the Napa Parks and Recreation. If you feel like you want to join today, there are registration sheets on site here to get you committed. It starts next Wednesday. Remember, 5 weeks. Takes place on Wednesday and Fridays from 4:15 to 5:45. Wednesdays is instruction and Fridays is racing. 5 weeks of fun in the sun here at North Bay BMX, only with beginners. It's beginner racing only. So non-intimidating, family